Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Oppo A77. To do this, we'll need to open a settings, go for additional settings at the bottom. Right here you should find gestures and motions. Now let's check how all of them work. First thing is a screen of gestures. If you click on that and enable them, there's an entire page dedicated to screen of gestures. I'm gonna cover them at the end of the video. Let's go back for the main page, and here we have two different options for a screenshot. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. First option looks like this. You make a screenshot. The next option is a partial screenshot, so hold your 3 fingers onto the screen and you'll be able to pick a portion of the screen that you want to capture, like that. Click on the OK button in the top right corner of the screen to save it. Now let's move to screen of gestures. Here, enable them to see the settings again. And the first option is double tap to wake or turn off screen. If you click in an empty space on your phone, it should lock it and it should unlock it. And empty space is quite weird because, as you can see, it doesn't work. Let's try on locked phone. If we double tap, it unlocks, and if we double tap again, it locks down. So I think it doesn't work when you navigate through unlocked phone. It only works when your phone is off. And moving on to next features, we'll need to open this gestures and motions again. And here we can draw O to open a camera, draw V to turn on and off a flashlight, and also use music control using gestures. Let's see 3 of the features. So draw O to open a camera. As you can see, it works perfectly. Next option is a V to enable flashlight, works fine. And last was music control, so you can draw different gestures to navigate through any media app. So if you draw arrow to your right, then you will go for the next track. If you draw arrow to your left, then you play previous track. If you draw pause, then you can either play or pause music. Let's move on. And here in more, we have many different gestures, but they kind of all work the same. They just have a different gesture that you need to draw. So enable each one of them that you want to use. And here, for example, if we draw arrow up, we'll launch a calculator. If we slide down our fingers, we'll launch a compass. Let's select the calculator and change it to something else. There's different features, so we can unlock our phone, make a call to a specific person, or open a specific app. In this case, let's go for the app, and I want to go for a Google Play Store. Now let's lock our phone, draw arrow up, just like that. We'll need to enter our password, and a Google Play Store should launch, or depending which app or function you've picked, it will perform it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.